Hello everyone, I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you're in the Susquehanna Valley and considering a new fence, let me share our experience with Future Solutions Fence and Fence Supply in York. This company truly stands out. From the moment we reached out, their team was responsive and professional. They offer a variety of fencing options: aluminum, vinyl, wood, and chain link, catering to both residential and commercial needs. What impressed us most was their full service approach. They handle everything from permits to installation, making the process seamless. Their commitment to quality is evident. They manufacture their fences in-house, allowing for customization to fit your specific needs. Plus, they offer lifetime warranties on their products, ensuring peace of mind. Other online customer reviews echo our positive experience with a 5-star rating based on close to 300 reviews. Clients consistently praise their workmanship and service, and I couldn't agree more. For those interested, they offer free estimates and have a user-friendly website where you can explore their services further. You can also check out their Facebook page for updates and customer testimonials. Their contact information is in the description. In short, if you're looking for a reliable, professional, and customer-focused fencing company, we highly recommend Future Solutions Fence and Fence Supply. We're proud to support local businesses, and we hope you will too.